we'll guide you through how to fix the Google Drive waiting for Wi-Fi issue. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Drive in your web browser on your computer. This issue is often caused by Google Drive settings being configured to upload files only on Wi-Fi. To change this, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, look for the Offline section. Make sure that offline access is enabled by checking the box that allows you to create, open, and edit your recent Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides files on this device while offline. If this is already enabled, you need to check your network settings. Go to your computer's network settings and ensure that your internet connection is stable. If you're using a wireless network, try connecting to a different Wi-Fi or use an Ethernet cable for a wired connection. Sometimes, clearing your browser cache can also help. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select Cache Only. After doing this, restart your browser and try accessing Google Drive again. If the problem persists, try updating your browser to the latest version, as older versions might have compatibility issues with Google Drive. Additionally, make sure your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking Google Drive. You can do this by opening your antivirus software and temporarily disabling it to see if that resolves the issue. Remember to enable it again after testing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the waiting for Wi-Fi issue on Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.